Hi, this is Tweek. We had a project to do here at home, which meant find the screwdrivers, and we needed tiny screwdrivers. And if you ever look for screwdrivers, they could be anywhere at the bottom of the toolbox. And once we gathered them up, we thought, find a better way to store them. And we had a piece of foam. That's got to be tweaked. Join us. Supplies you'll need for this project are a pine board, 3.5 inches by 3/4 inches by 6 feet long. You'll need some dense shipping foam, 1-inch pin nails, some wood glue, assorted wooden letters, wood stain of your choice, some shellac, 4 protective felt feet, sandpaper, 1/8 inch router bit, and we used a wood burner to decorate the top. So let's get started. We began with a design that revolved around a piece of foam that we found. Then we began by cutting out the pieces to the proper measurements. First, we cut out the base. Next, we cut 1/2 inch off the board to make the sides. Using a router bit, we add a decorative channel to the side. Now we cut the pieces for the sides. The 4 sides are cut, then here comes the bottom. It's time to assemble the side pieces. After adding glue, use pin nails to hold it together until the glue dries. With a damp paper towel or cloth, clean off the excess glue. Next comes a rough sanding. We sand the bottom as well. It's time to attach the base to the bottom. Glue holds it together. Check to make it straight and add nails to hold it in place. We found a font that we liked and some wooden letters and attached them to the box with some glue. We used a slightly darker stain to make the letters pop. The letters are now stained. Time for some wood filler. Fill up any spots where you see a crack in the wood or a nail hole. When the filler has dried, lightly sand it smooth. Time to add your choice of stain. Ours is called Weathered Oak. Really pretty. A primer coat of shellac is now added. Two more coats of shellac are added to finish the project. Using a wood burner, we get creative with how we want to decorate our toolbox. One label represents the Phillips screwdrivers, and the other label represents the flat or slotted screwdrivers. They're held with regular wood glue. Finishing touches. We're going to add a little bit of shellac to the labels and adding shellac where we see we need a touch-up. Doesn't that look great? Happy little toolbox. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it feels good. It's sturdy and it's lovely. My words, but I do like it. So let's finish it up a little bit by adding a little cosmetic here. We're going to put some little teeny felt pieces on it to act as little feet. I'm just going to put one in each corner, and that will help protect the wood a little bit, but just gives it a nice little touch. Right up my alley. And once we've got the little feet on, these are little stickum felt feet. And we've got our beautiful box. Oh, this thing is very nice, and it will sit on its feet. Now I know my Phillips go on this side, flathead go on that side. And to hold them, took a piece of, this is foam, very thick foam, and I'm just going to press it down in. That's in there nice and snug. So now we've got the symbol here represents the Phillips. So let's grab them and poke them in. Next time we need you, we're going to know exactly where you are. We'll go tallest to the smallest. So this side is where Phillips are, and then the other side is where the flatheads are. Let's see, tall, and 3 on this side. But isn't this just so great? Oh my gosh, no more fumbling through that toolbox or that kitchen drawer. And there you have it. If you like what you've seen here today, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to please ring the bell so you know when another episode of Tweaks with Tweek is coming along. Until then, make one of these and take a lot of the hassle out of looking for the little tools you'll need to work on your projects. See you again.